special council meeting which was adjourned on 2-3 earlier occasions because of the code of conduct which was in force in the state. And today that reconvened meeting for the approval of the budget for the financial year 2017-18 has been approved by the council unanimously. It is a surplus budget with receipts amounting to 50 crores 85 lakhs 65,560, an expenditure of 50 lakhs 50 crores, receipts of 50 crores 85 lakhs, an expenditure of 50 crores 30 lakhs. So it is a 55 lakhs surplus budget. Some of the salient features in the budget is we have, as I've been stating on quite a couple of occasions earlier, we have frozen the amount, the initial bid for the auctioning of SOPO in the municipal market. The initial bid has been frozen at 1,10,000. It is so for the last 2 financial years, and same continues this year also. Because my logic is that since the area of the market is the same and the unit rate per square meter remains constant, earlier practice in this council was to increase that initial bid, that offset value. Every year they were increasing it by 10%. So I have brought that practice to an end. I was the first chairperson to freeze that at that level, and it continues so in this financial year also. So that is one aspect of this budget.